Hello students, today we shall learn about combination of capacitors. Students, the first figure represents the symbol of a capacitor, the circuit symbol. In the circuit, we represent a capacitor like this, two parallel lines with the two horizontal lines which represents the connection for the circuit. Generally, capacitors are connected in two ways, series and parallel. In the series combination, the two capacitors C1 and C2 are the two capacitors are connected end to end. Means to the end of C1, C2 is connected. So, two capacitors are connected end to end. That is known as series combination. In parallel combination, two capacitors, same C1 and C2 capacitors are connected in parallel means they connected across the two common points. So, capacitors can be combined series and parallel. This is the series combination. This is the parallel combination of capacitor. So this is the circuit symbol of the capacitor. Okay students. So now we are going to derive the expression for effective capacitance of two capacitors connected in series. See, the figure represents the two capacitors C1 and C2 are connected to a battery, means the potential difference is applied to the series combination. The second figure represents that is the equivalent circuit, means this is the equivalent circuit, means this is a single capacitor which produces the same effect as that of the combination. Instead of these two capacitors, this single capacitor can be replaced. Okay. C1 and C2 are two capacitors where V1 and V2 are the potential difference across C1 and C2. Q is the charge on each capacitor. See, this is plus Q minus Q means positive charge on the first plate, negative charge on the second plate. Okay students, when the capacitors are connected in series, potential divides, charge remains same, where Q is the charge on both the capacitor. Potential V divides means V is equal to V1 plus V2. Okay. CS is the equivalent capacitor of the series combination. Applied PD is V. Q is the charge on the equivalent capacitor. So we have to derive the expression for CS. What is equivalent capacitor of the series combination? For that, first consider PD across C1 is Q by C1. That is from the formula Q is equal to CV formula, students. Potential divides, this is the first capacitor. V2 is, that is the potential difference across C2 is Q by C2. Where V2 is the PD across the second capacitor. So, Q is equal to V2 C2. So, the total potential difference across the combination. The applied potential difference V is equal to V1 plus V2. Now, substitute the value of V1 and V2 in the equation. V is equal to V1 plus V2. Okay, students? So, this is V1, this is V2. So, Q can be taken outside. Now, consider CS is the equivalent capacitance where the same charge Q produces this potential difference V. Okay, students? Now, what is V here? V is equal to the total charge divided by the equivalent capacitance QS. Here V1 is equal to Q by C1, V2 is equal to Q by C2. Similarly, here V is equal to Q by CS. So, this V is equal to the total potential difference. Substitute V now. What happens here? V is equal to Q by CS. So, we get this equation by substituting V is equal to Q by S in the equation 3. We will get this equation. Q gets cancelled. Now, 1 by CS is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 means the reciprocal of the equivalent capacitance of the series combination is equal to the sum of the reciprocal of the individual capacitances. So here only two capacitors are used. 1 by CS is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. Similarly, if more capacitors, n number of capacitors are used, this equation extends till n. If there are 3 capacitors, it will extend till 1 by C3. If it is n capacitor, till 1 by Cn. So, for n identical capacitors, the equation becomes the capacitance divided by equivalent means all the capacitor having same value. C divided by the number of the capacitor. How many capacitors are used? 2, 3, 5 up to n number. Okay, students? This derivation is important for 3 marks. Derive the expression for effective capacitance or equivalent capacitance when the two capacitors are connected in series. Equivalent or effective capacitance both have the same meaning. Similarly, the expression for effective capacitance of the two capacitors connected in parallel. The figure represents the two capacitors connected in parallel. C1 and C2 are the two capacitors connected in parallel. Here, Q1 and the Q2 are the charges on two capacitors. V is the applied PD. See students, here the charge divides. Potential on each capacitor remains same. You have to note that when the capacitors are in series, the potential divides, charge remains same. When the capacitors are in parallel, charge divides, potential remains same. Cp is the effective or equivalent capacitance of the parallel combination. Instead of these two capacitors, the single capacitor can be used. Okay students, V is the PD. Here, the charge divides. Q is equal to Q1 plus Q2. In the previous derivation, V is equal to V1 plus V2. PD divides. Here charge divides. That is why we have to take Q1 is the charge on the first capacitor. Q2 is the charge on the second capacitor. So voltage remains same. That is taken as V. So in the next equation, substitute the value of Q1 and Q2. So afterwards, Cp is the equivalent capacitance. We will get the value of Q here that we have to substitute on the left hand side. Okay student? So here in the next step what happens? V gets cancelled. So Cp means effective capacitance of the parallel combination is equal to the sum of the individual capacitances when the two capacitors are used. If there are more capacitors used, the equation continues. If there are 3 capacitors, it continues plus C3. If it is n capacitors, it is C1 plus C2 plus C3 up to Cn. So, see the next note in second point in the note, n identical capacitors. Identical means all the capacitors have same values. If one capacitor is 2 microfarad, all are 2 microfarad. So, it represents n into C, number of capacitor into value of the each capacitance. That is how you can calculate the capacitance. Okay students. So here the definition of equivalent or effective capacitance is given. You should know what is equivalent or effective capacitance. I think this is given in your printed notes, students. If it is not there, please note it down. Okay. Both the questions are very important for 3 marks students. What is effective capacitance? Derive the expression for equivalent capacitance of series combination. If it is asked together, then it is for 5 marks. Okay students. The definition of effective capacitance and the derivation both are important. Okay. Thank you students.